Hello, friends. Welcome to this session. This session, I want to discuss about artificial intelligence powered automation in pharma supply chain management. So, my agenda today is about introduction, demand forecasting and inventory management, quality control and regulatory compliances, supply chain visibility and optimization, process automation, risk mitigation, conclusion. And the last thing is that what are the other things which you must consider it? So in an introduction, we are looking at it for artificial intelligence powered process automation and how it can tackle challenges into pharma supply chain management. Artificial intelligence powered automation revolutionizing supply chain by addressing the challenges and which is driving significant improvements to achieve operational and business excellence. The first and most important thing in the present scenario is demand forecasting and inventory management. As we see, demand forecasting is driving the entire business, entire supply chain management, which depends upon the market conditions, which is fluctuating, and there is a lot of uncertainties are there. So, artificial intelligence will help in improving demand forecasting. Artificial intelligence algorithm will analyze historical data and the present market trends. There are a lot of external factors which are now considered into prediction and improving the accuracy to 40% will really help in managing your sales and operation planning, considering the real time inventory levels, and that goes on connecting your procurement, your manufacturing, maybe your contract manufacturing, and finally supports to the patient's requirements. Second is optimizing these inventory levels, which is the most important thing. This reduces overstocking and stockout. Both the things are very important. You should not overstock it because you are blocking your money into the inventory. At the same time, if there are stockouts, there is a possibility that you may lose a market, and then there will be unsatisfaction with the customers or the patient. So, improving that optimal inventory, considering the market requirement, is a challenge. And artificial intelligence algorithms can help you in designing them, and they will prompt you the necessary actions which are to be taken. As we always say, that you need a data driven decision making, and artificial intelligence will help you in those. This will lead to cost reduction and high service levels. You may also see examples from the internet. It's a large pharma company which has implemented this artificial intelligence driven demand forecasting and inventory system, has reduced the inventory levels by almost 15%. So you can imagine how much cash is now available for using it for the better purposes. And this also maintains the high service levels to the customers and the patients actually. Second is artificial intelligence will also help in your quality control and regulatory compliances. The two important factors which I consider over here is a real-time environmental monitoring. Artificial intelligence powered system can track the production and operation conditions which are during the manufacturing. As we see, you have to have not only the machines but even the environmental conditions also. That is your temperature, pressures, and all that, which needs to be monitored. And this is also going to give you impact onto your product quality, which is very important. Even the storage and transit environments also play an important role for maintaining the quality of the products. And that is basically supported by AI-based systems which monitor the these parameters actually. And second is automated quality assurance. Your sensors and cameras, they will ensure that all regulatory requirements and then the compliance are satisfied with the desired documentation, which is very important. What we have observed is that a huge time about the operating people at analyst level or manufacturing level is getting spent onto this maintaining this documentation. And also there is a possibility of manual error. So your AI-based sensors collected regulatory compliances will assure you the minimum manual error. At the same time, the best documentation, almost at a zero levels of errors. This reduces the errors and improves the product integrity and all. The third, which I want to consider, is the most important challenge is the supply chain visibility and optimization. You need a end-to-end visibility about your product, batch, and their movement, and how they are linked with your orders. So this artificial intelligence capturing the data will provide comprehensive oversight across the entire supply chain. It's basically starting what we call it is the order to delivery process. So you can track from order to your plan, to your manufacturing cycle, to packaging, to warehouse, and going to the logistics and even to the route planning also, which is very important. So, entire digital supply chain management can help you in building up all this. Now, the next step is artificial intelligence analysis. This, since the real time data will be available, it can also identify the possible bottlenecks and potential disruption, which in advance intimation can help you to rectify your decisions or maybe correct or take a necessary action so that your supply chain management is seamless. No, there are no disruptions and all that. And this analyzes the complete network data. And the third thing is that the next phase is transportation and route optimization. Considering the factors like traffic, weather, delivery deadlines, and all that, it can go on tracking up along with the data which is there from transportation also about process parameters and uh, parameters like temperature, pressures, and movements which are to be maintained as per the regulatory requirement. So these are the main benefits which artificial intelligence can help you in supply chain visibility. The next is the process automation. This automates the repetitive tasks. So as we see that order processing is a repetitive task. And now we are looking at it that the customers or the patients can put in the online orders, which needs to compile it and then goes to the location wise requirement, and then that has to get integrated with your sales and operation planning and everything and all that. So this repetitive task can be handled very efficiently. So there will not be any manual error. And this manages even the invoicing and everything also. And that seamless integration about the process automation helps along with the use of artificial intelligence. This, as I mentioned earlier, it reduces the manual error and minimizing human errors into the operation can speeds up the processing time. Definitely, manual errors and automated process operation will improve the efficiency also. And your operational efficiencies with minimum errors can enhance the accuracy and repeatability, which boosts overall throughput actually. Then comes the risk mitigation. So as we see that there are always the risks into every process, every automations and all that. So I have considered few of them actually. A predicts the potential supply chain disruption. It could be at a transportation level, it could be at a manufacturing level, it could be at a supply of materials, or maybe quality challenges or equipment breakdown or anything. You know better than me. So this identifies the risks before they occur and allows for the proactive measure, which you should take it, which can be prompted for the improvement and without any disruptions and all that. The predictive analysis along with the artificial intelligence can also predict the equipment failures, and this enables the timely maintenance which will have a smooth product flow with the quality standards. And this prevents the unexpected breakdowns. That's another big advantage about artificial intelligence into supply chain management. Proactive maintenance and risk mitigation strategies can be developed actually. This will improve the overall plant performance, plant efficiencies, and will reduce the operational risk. And this leads to enhancing the supply chain resilience with minimum downtime and ensuring the continuous flow of product at a standard quality expectation. So finally coming to a conclusion that how artificial intelligence can help in pharma supply chain management. The first and most important thing it is improving the efficiency, streamlining the processes and operation, and reduces the manual intervention. Second thing is it reduces the cost reduction. Cost is at the operational level and the complete supply chain management level. This minimizes the operational cost and optimizes the resource utilization. When I say resources not just a manpower, but even the machine hours, material efficiency, reducing the wastage, all those can be taken into consideration. And finally, that will lead to timely delivery. See, the patients are expecting the right product, right quality, right time. So this ensures them that medication reaches to the patient in time actually and enhances the supply chain management. And finally, the high quality medication maintains the consistency in the drug production, reduces the errors and then the defect actually. I have some few more consideration which you should really think about it when you are looking for the artificial intelligence role into the supply chain, not just on the efficiency or the reducing the cost, but finally improving the drug availability, product availability, and supporting to the customer's expectations and reducing the shortages, which is more important. The key trends in 2025, what I am expecting is that resilience and artificial intelligence will get integrated. And then these industry specific challenges which are there, which will get supported. And artificial intelligence powered process automation will streamline the supply chain management, which reduces the human error and increases the accuracy. And finally, artificial intelligence in smart manufacturing, which will support the manufacturing process and optimize the production and quality. Hope I just gave you a brief overview how artificial intelligence can help you in improving your pharma supply chain management. Thank you. Bye.